Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Canva on PC. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. There, click on Login. Define what method you will use to access. In this case, it will be Google. When choosing this option, you will need to select the account and confirm access to Canva by clicking Continue. Once we have access, we will click on the Download the App button, located in the upper corner. Now we click on Download Canva for Windows. Wait for the download to complete. When it is downloaded, click on the file. We are going to wait for Canva to be installed locally on our computer. When this is finished in the application, click on Login through browser. After that, in the browser, we are going to click on Yes, Continue to Canva app. In the pop-up window, click Open Canva. With this, you will have access to the Canva application on PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.